So you may have just been banned on WhatsApp. Now, this is a pretty crazy thing. Now, if you actually got banned for something like violating their terms of service or spam content or some type of, crazy thing, there's really no point in appealing it because it's just really just you're just going to get banned. A human is going to verify it, and that's just one thing to keep in mind. Now, if you truly got banned and you really don't know why, or you really feel like it was unjust, there's actually a couple ways that you can actually kind of go through and essentially request an appeal. So if you take a look at WhatsApp's frequently asked questions page, it says if your account is banned, you'll see the following message: this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. They say we ban accounts if we believe the activity violates their terms of service. They kind of go on and so forth. Now they basically answer down here how to request a review. Now it says if you think your account was banned by mistake, tap request a review in the app. So there should be a little option within a panel here where you can go ahead and essentially request a review. So if you're able to go inside of the application and essentially click on that button and request a review, that's the easiest way to go and do this. Now, if you haven't been able to do that, what you can also do, what they tell you to do instead, is basically just to contact WhatsApp. So if you go into Google, so you can google.com, and if you go and if you search up contact WhatsApp, their contact page should be one of the first things that comes up. What you can do here is you can go and see contact WhatsApp come up right here. So what you can do is you can go and type in your phone number on their WhatsApp page, your email address that's associated. Remember, these have to be associated with that WhatsApp account you have. And then you can choose a platform. And then right here where it says please enter your message below, you want to let them know that you basically got banned. You really didn't, you don't think you violated the terms of service. If you have any proof of anything, you can also throw in the proof in there too. And within maybe a little bit of time, they should be able to contact you. And then hopefully you go and get your account, unbanned. But that is essentially the main way to go and get it unbanned. There's like two different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.